This learning portfolio seeks to research the benefits of a project-based learning model within an elementary school classroom. Although guided by standards, we are still following a traditional teacher-led instruction model and not so much a student-centered learning philosophy. This teacher-led instruction continues to have lecture, followed by small tasks, occasional homework assignments, whereas a new student-centered learning model would be more student-led with small learning targets connected directly to a performance task at the end of the unit. Students would be made aware of this task ahead of time, and all of their learning would be directly related to that performance task. The current unit design appears to have the performance task exist in isolation, where students are not easily able to connect what they learned in the unit to the end result, making their performance task not as meaningful. There is bias within the assessment also, where students are needing to design a garden, and the expectation for that is not established early on in the unit. So if a student does not have any background in the elements of growing a garden or what is needed for that, it makes the performance task a difficult task for them to achieve any success on, whereas their performance throughout the unit may have been more accurately a representation of their learning. A future project-based learning unit design would connect directly to a performance task assessment. The performance task goals would be clear from the beginning of the unit and would guide the students' learning throughout the unit. Students would be working in small collaborative groups to explore smaller research goals and smaller target goals, where they would develop and design a portfolio for themselves of their learning, and this portfolio would be utilized in the final performance task of design a garden. I would hope that a structured and more purposeful project-based learning unit would be a goal for the district in all content areas. If it is more structured and purposeful in one unit, it would include ongoing formative and summative assessment, as well as cross-curricular learning targets and standards that are connected. This all would lead to more student achievement and more consistency throughout all grade levels in this large school district.